Pristine spacious 2 BHK up for sale with that property guy. Subscribe now and get access to the best real estate content straight to your phones. We are here to check out this 2 BHK apartment. This is the lift in the lobby area. This is your staircase. You can see it's quite spacious. We'll check out the room straight away. That's your entrance. It's a very quality door given by the builder already. That's a spacious hall. With a very good floor to ceiling height. We're moving towards the balcony now. That's a view from the balcony. It's a standing balcony. And this is the open view greenery. There is no buildings, no infrastructure around. It's a 2 by 10 feet. It's a 2 by 10 feet balcony. That's your view from the balcony when you overlook towards your hall. Now that's your dining area. Extremely spacious, can fit a 4 to 6 seater dining very easily. We are moving towards the kitchen. This kitchen is fully modular, done with lots of storage space and cabinets. That's the space for your refrigerator. 2-side platform, lots of storage space. We're moving towards the dry balcony now. This is your view from the balcony. The same view which we have in the hall. That's your dry balcony where you can easily fit your washing machine. You have an inlet and outlet, water inlet and electric connection for your washing machine. That's your kitchen. That's your passage area. That's your first room. We check out the kitchen. That's your second room. We'll check out the first room now. It's a good floor to ceiling height. It's a standard size of a bedroom. This one does not have a bathroom. This is a common room. We're moving towards the balcony. It's again available with this open view, open to the sky view, 2 by 10 feet balcony. Again in this room, when we look back towards our room, this is how spacious it is. You'll get basic amenities like the fan and light already fitted in here. That's your common washroom. It's an Indian style toilet and there is your water storage above. So that's where we came from. We checked out the hall, we checked out the dining area, kitchen, we checked out their first room, we checked out the bathroom, and now we are moving towards the master bedroom. As we enter, you'll get the washroom straight away, done with branded fittings and fixtures. We are moving towards the master bedroom now. With a good floor to ceiling height, it's a very spacious room here. Now then, we are moving towards the balcony, again with this amazing open to sky unobstructed view from your 2 by 10 feet balcony. This is the view. So that ends our property tour. If you like this property, give us a call on the number given below. If you want to check out more such property, check out the video on my left. If you wish to get new properties in Vasai, check out the video on the right. I'm done for the day. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, have a good day.